extra cautious. Don't want to be itchy, you know what I'm saying? We'll see. If y'all have any tips, please let me know. I'm not too sure what the hell I'm doing, but we'll learn. We'll learn. Like I said before, this is my first time videotaping, so it is a little weird, you know, talking to myself. When in reality, I'm talking to an audience, but no one's here. Alrighty. I believe he said it was a 3% mixture. It might be less, though. It kind of does look watered down, but we'll see. I should have used the leaf blower to blow all this dirt and crap out of the way. You live and you learn, I guess. Alrighty, we'll call it good. I'll let that sit for a while. It's my first time doing this, so we're kind of just going based off what I've seen on YouTube, you know, Instagram, Facebook. Oh, there's some crap in there. Got us a 100-gallon water tank, 35 cam tank. Got your GX390 engine for soft wash. We'll see though. I haven't really tested any of this stuff out, so we'll see how it goes. I picked up gas today. Let's see how she runs. I don't know how many hours are on this engine. Let's get this setting up. Enough of me yapping. I gotta practice on my house first before I start getting customers, you know. I'd rather make a mistake here than to have to fix somebody else's concrete. Hopefully I'm not struggling this much when I'm doing a job. See if this even reaches. I think it's 200 feet. You know what? I might just throw it over. I was gonna go around the house, but there we go. Let me lock it in real quick. Well, the video cut out on me. I lost my train of thought as soon as it shut off on me. Might have pulled out too much, but it's better to have more than less, huh? If any of y'all are experts or have any recommendations along the way, please let me know. I'm open to learning. I kind of want to make a side hustle out of this. Where the hell am I going? Uh-oh. Got me a knot. I'm gonna need some extra slack. Yep, there we go. All right. I think that's good. There we go. All right. Let's see now. There we are. I'm gonna take this jacket off. I'm gonna start doing the edges. I kind of got distracted, but I'm gonna do a border around the whole patio, and then I'm gonna bring my surface cleaner in. Oh, baby. Alrighty. Aha. That might be the issue. Like I said, I'm no expert, but my assumption is those are supposed to be spinning. Did that totally wrong. Actually, oh, perfect. Take a picture now. I think more solution next time. Went based off whatever he said was in that bottle. I should have hit that door too. Definitely still have some marks that could probably get removed. I'm gonna have to mess with that surface washer. Nice, and I got my jacket soaked. Ain't that nice? Not bad. Battery just keeps dying on me. So currently I'm following my LLC to start my company. You know, become official. The name of the company was gonna be Wash Pros, but I guess the name's taken already. And I just got approved for Vivid Wash. I'll be linking the Instagram to that. I'll be posting, you know, clips of the videos if you guys want to check that out. And hopefully this takes off. But thanks for watching. It's my God,